Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to rename a collection in Facebook using your PC. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your collections and personalize them according to your preferences. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website on your PC. Step 2. From the left-hand side, click on Saved. This will take you to the Saved Items section. Step 3. Click on the desired collection that you want to rename. Step 4. Now, locate the 3 dots icon and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, click on Rename Collection. Step 6. Enter the new name for your collection. Step 7. Finally, click on Rename to save the new name. By following these steps, you can easily rename a collection in Facebook using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Enjoy customizing your collections on Facebook using your PC.